Welcome to another episode of Tiny Science Tutorials. In this installment, we're delving into the captivating realm of the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is a range of electromagnetic waves, encompassing everything from radio waves to gamma rays. It's a fundamental concept in understanding light and its interaction with the world around us. The spectrum is divided into several regions, each with its own unique properties. At the lower end, we have radio waves, which are used for communication, broadcasting, and even radar technology. As we move up the spectrum, we encounter microwaves, commonly used in cooking and telecommunications. Then, we have infrared waves, which we feel as heat and use in thermal imaging. Next up, we have the visible light spectrum, which is the only part of the spectrum our eyes can perceive. It includes the familiar colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Beyond visible light, we have ultraviolet waves, which have high energy and can cause sunburns. X-rays, with even higher energy, are used in medical imaging. Finally, at the highest energy level, we have gamma rays, which are emitted during nuclear reactions. Understanding the electromagnetic spectrum allows us to appreciate how different forms of energy travel through space. From the radio waves that bring us music to the X-rays that help diagnose injuries, the spectrum plays a vital role in our daily lives. And that's all for our 1-minute journey through the electromagnetic spectrum. Subscribe to our channel, activate the notification bell, and prepare yourself for an enlightening voyage through the marvels of the universe, with each minute providing a wealth of knowledge.